So SI joint test. Gonna put a little pressure right on your base of your sacrum. I'm gonna have you keep your leg straight and raise that leg up off the table as high as you can.
Both of them?
No, just your right one. Yeah. Any pain with that?
No.
Okay, and the left one? A little more difficult on one. Seemed like the left one was a little harder for you.
Yeah, a little weak.
Okay, and down. Weaker and a little more uncomfortable, I think, too. So that means this SI joint, which it is apparent, it's a little high. She's a little rotated in her hips.
I've got arthritis in it.
So, yeah.